Welcome to Coco Finance, where we unlock the doors to thriving in one of the world's most exhilarating capitals. Today, we're on a quest to discover why London is not just a city, but a living, breathing stage for the ambitious, the dreamers, and the doers. So, buckle up as we dive deep into the heart of London, a city that promises to be more than just a home, but a launchpad for your dreams. London, with its majestic blend of historic grandeur and cutting-edge modernity, offers a unique canvas for life. It's a city where each corner tells a story, each street hums with a different tune, and every individual can find their rhythm. Safety in London is paramount, with a vigilant police force and a comprehensive CCTV network, ensuring that your adventures through the city's storied streets are secure and carefree. The pulse of London is best felt through its intricate commuting systems. The iconic Underground, the sprawling bus network, and the burgeoning cycle lanes offer a mosaic of options to traverse this expansive city. Each journey is an opportunity to uncover a new facet of London's endless charm, from hidden alleyways filled with history to panoramic views of the Thames. When we talk about living standards, London redefines excellence. The city's commitment to sustainability and innovation ensures a quality of life that is not only about comfort, but also about being part of a community that values the future. The air you breathe, the parks you wander through, and the streets you explore are all part of London's pledge to offer its residents the best. For the financiers and business mavens, London is the arena where giants play. The city's financial districts, like the City of London and Canary Wharf, are not just workplaces, but hubs of global decision-making and innovation. Here, amidst the skyscrapers and historic buildings, you'll find yourself at the heart of the world's financial ecosystem, surrounded by opportunities to grow, learn, and lead. Yet London's allure is not confined to its economic might. The city is a cultural kaleidoscope, offering a lifestyle rich with arts, dining, and entertainment. Whether you're indulging in the culinary delights at Borough Market, enjoying a West End show, or exploring the latest exhibition at the Tate Modern, London serves experiences that cater to every taste and intrigue. Healthcare in London, anchored by the NHS, is a model of excellence and accessibility. From preventive care to cutting-edge treatments, the health system ensures that residents' well-being is prioritized, providing peace of mind amidst the hustle and bustle of city life. While the cost of living in London can be daunting, the city teaches you the art of smart living. From finding the right neighborhood that balances rent and lifestyle, to discovering local markets that offer the best deals, living in London is an exercise in savvy urban living. The diversity of London's neighborhoods, from the eclectic vibes of Camden to the serene elegance of Greenwich, means there's a corner of the city that will feel like home. London's weather, with its reputation for unpredictability, is actually a canvas of expressions. The city experiences the full sweep of seasons, each bringing its own beauty and set of activities. Springs bloom in the royal parks, summer's long evenings by the South Bank, autumn's golden hues in Hampstead Heath, and winter's festive lights all over the city make for a living experience that's ever-changing and always enchanting. Cultural events, from the Notting Hill Carnival to the Thames Festival, ensure that London's calendar is perpetually vibrant, offering gatherings that celebrate the city's rich diversity and global connections. And for the professional, London's conferences, summits, and networking events are gateways to global trends, ideas, and collaborations. Diving deeper into finance, business, and tax, London offers a sophisticated landscape that's ripe with potential. The city's regulatory frameworks, support systems for startups, and tax incentives for innovation make it a fertile ground for nurturing ideas into global ventures. Whether you're a fintech enthusiast, an aspiring entrepreneur, or a seasoned investor, London's ecosystem is designed to support your ambitions. In closing, London is not just a city, it's a world unto itself. A place where past and future coalesce, where careers soar, and lives are enriched with culture, history, and the spirit of endless possibility. For those ready to embrace its vibrant energy, London is a promise of a life well lived, a career well built, and memories well crafted. Thank you for journeying with Coco Finance through the heart of London. We're here to guide, inspire, and unveil the paths to success and fulfillment in the finance world and beyond. Stay tuned for more adventures and insights as we explore the vibrant world of opportunities together.